children, this is Aishwarya, art and craft teacher. I hope you enjoying our art and craft sessions. So here I am with you with another art and craft video. So let's get started. Hello children, today we are going to make this cute and beautiful bird. See? So for this beautiful bird we need these two circles, which already I have cut it, and this type of strips you have to cut. One circle, this and this. So now let's get started. Take this both, turn like this. While using the scissor, please be careful, okay? After that, with your scissor, do like this, slowly. Slowly, okay? Just follow my steps. So here this beautiful bird is done. See? That's it for today. See you in our next class. Bye bye kids.